Morning, guys. Actually, it's afternoon, so good afternoon. Got a bunch of wood. I picked it up from this lady that didn't want it anymore. She had cut down a tree, and I'm going to show you guys really quick. So this is maybe half so far. I didn't realize how much she actually had until I got there, and she has a ton. I mean, this is probably half or so. I still have to get more of it. I've been using my truck to kind of transport everything. Definitely, it's been fun getting a bunch of wood. I'm currently outside with my dog. What are you doing? Come on, let's go. Jackie and my son are at her grandparents' house right now. Sorry if you guys can't see me. There's like some shade right here. Come on, let's go. My dog's not wanting to come down here for some reason. I'm not sure why. Wasn't entirely sure if I was gonna vlog today, just because I'd been doing a bunch of stuff and kind of tired, honestly. Just moving all that wood is kind of exhausting, but you know, you get it done, and definitely like it's gonna be worth it because we'll be able to use it. So yeah, gonna play some fetch with my dog.
Start it up.
Apparently she doesn't want to play fetch. I've been trying to get her to play and she just keeps like sitting. She doesn't want to play fetch today. But it kind of makes sense. It is kind of hot outside, so I get it. I did buy a new maul. I bought another splitting axe, or splitting maul. I don't really know if it's considered a maul or if it's considered an axe. That wasn't too expensive. I'll actually show you guys really quick what they are. And then I don't know what I'm going to do. So I'm kind of up in the air today. I want to switch back to AMD, even though I have an NVIDIA graphics card. There really isn't a point. Sorry, it's steep hill. My dog, I don't know if you guys can see her. Yeah, you see her moving? It's all the way down there. Show you guys really quick the maul and the axe that I picked up, which are, I used them a little bit just to kind of see how they would go, but they're I'll show you guys how they look. All right, I don't know if you can see this or not, but I got this. So this one's the maul. It's an 8-pound maul. There's not much to say about it. It's gonna help a lot with splitting this oak. It's all oak, the wood that I got, so it's gonna be a little bit difficult to cut through. That's why I ended up buying this. It's from Cobalt. It's just from Lowe's, nothing crazy. Got this one. It's a 4.5-pound maul, and it yeah, I think it's gonna work really well for kind of smaller pieces that my axe has issues with. My axe has been great, and I actually split pretty much everything with my axe, but I do run into instances where it is a little bit it doesn't do as well, and so my neighbors have a maul that they were using. I figured if I'm going to be splitting wood all the time, I should probably pick this up. finished cutting the wood. Well, not finished, but I finished for what I wanted to do. I'm sorry if I'm cut off, but I did that. Arms are kind of tired. Been just moving wood a lot today, and I'm gonna have to go back and do that. I figured out how to use my bed extender in my truck, which is awesome. So now I can actually like do that. But I got my Loot Crate, and I wanted to show off the things that I got. This, it's a Ninja Turtle magnet set. I can't speak. Ninja Turtle magnets, and then the Joker pin. I got as well a Gremlin collectible figure. It says it's an adult collectible and it's not a toy, which is interesting. I'm assuming it looks like this. And then the coolest thing out of all of it is this. Super cool, and it's kind of like got a comic book feel to it. So yeah, I think that's just absolutely awesome. Definitely a good Loot Crate in my opinion. I'm not sponsored by Loot Crate or anything like that, so if you guys want to check out Loot Crate, just go to their website. I've had Loot Crate for years, so